Hi my Donnas, welcome back to another video. Today actually I want to talk about a friend of mine who reached out to me. He said he have a topic. He think I should talk about the topic. I am going to let you hear his voice note. I asked him if I could share his voice note and he gave me the okay. So I'm gonna play it, but I'm gonna change his voice. Okay? So listen to it. I'm just gonna try to edit his voice where you don't really understand who this person is. So let's do this. Okay, listen.
Donna morning. Donna, you know, some days when I pray and I think and I say, Donna, you need to do a topic on this thing. Why God give men to some woman when I deserve them? Why, Donna, you're blessed. You're a good husband. Trust me, my sister. And so woman deserve certain man, you know. There was a girl who worked on my workplace and they had a school. She's a teacher. And she have a man. And that's how she treat the man because she knows that the man love her. Or play with him feelings. I know that when I'm in spirit, a while ago, she will cry to one day. Because I was taking me from here to somebody else. All time is a master of all things. And you, sister, leave up yourself and good morning.
Okay guys, I don't know what to say about that topic because I don't know the full situation, so I can't really talk on it. And let me know what you guys think about that little segment. I mean, good man out there that woman take for granted, of course. Have I ever taken any for granted? No. I respect everybody I've been with. I try to do my best, but I don't put up with nonsense. I don't put up with somebody who treat me lesser than how I should be treated, and vice versa. If you're not comfortable, you don't have to be there. Leave. I'm not gonna say that. Let's not say that. But if you're not comfortable in a situation that, I mean, you work things out as much as you can, but if you're not comfortable, then I guess someone like when women treat them that way, because a man is the head of the household and they should be respected just like how the man should be respect their wife. And there's not much I can say on that topic, you know. And because she's a teacher, she should know better. She's educated to know better. So, you know, the thing is this, you know, you have sons. As a mother, whether you have sons or daughter, and you should behave the way you want people to treat them. You know what I mean? You should respect your partner. You should respect your partner that you are with. Whether if you have children, yes or no, one day you're gonna have children, or you know, you want to set an example, so you don't treat the person you're with like a trash. Just be respectful, you know, regardless of everything. I command that before I even sit and be comfortable with my husband. That was one of my requests. I said to him, no matter what we have, don't degrade me. I was already battling with low self-esteem, so please don't disrespect me if we have an argument, because I won't be disrespecting you. I am just asking you for that. Don't disrespect my family and don't degrade my body. Don't do it. We all know that couscous don't bring good word, but respect is everything to me. I respect you, you respect me. You treat me the way I want to be treated, and I will treat you the way you want to be treated. If you're not treating me the way I wanted to be treated, I am going to treat you exactly the way you are treating me. Because if I in a relationship and I've been working, and you're not giving, then I'm gonna be drained, and my common sense in my head is going to tell me that you can't keep doing this. So treat me the way you want to be treated, and I will do the same. Treat you the way you want to be treated. It's just common sense. If you're not treating me right, then I won't be able to treat you constantly right. I'll do my best and be fair, but if you're not treating me right, then I gotta give you a dose of your own medicine. I can't get up every day and treat you with dignity and respect when you're not doing it to me. I don't want anybody to make me lower my self-esteem, because I work very hard to build that, and I'm not gonna make anyone degrade it. So when you reach that point, please go. Please leave. Okay? I'm not gonna say teeth and tongue won't meet in a relationship and people won't have disagreement, but when you get up every day and you disrespect one man and you disrespect one woman in front of them friends and in front of everybody where people are see, that's just disgusting, man. That just, in my book, it's just disgusting. Like, when you get up every day and treat your partner a certain way, talk down to them in front of them friends, and talk down to them in front of them family, like, please. This not LT. That not LT. When you reach that point, it not work. It just not. And that is just how I feel. Why sit down and live in a degraded relationship? What it's doing for you, what it's going to help you? I don't believe so. And that is just my 2 cents. You know, as we say, me not in no shape or form a counselor, but me like speak my mind. So bring your topic and I'll speak my mind. Okay? Bring your topics and I'll speak my mind. Adios, Madonnas. Love you guys. Please remember to like, comment, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be looking out for them. Okay? Share your topics. Share your thoughts with me, cause you know I'm doing this for you guys. Love ya. One more thing I wanted to say. We'll come back. You see, when you're with somebody and you find that this started, and when it started, nip it in the bud. Nip it in the bud from early. Because sometimes you're in a relationship and you're in there for a long time, but she may be like, what do you call it now? Losing him. Like she may be on her way out the door. Cause that's not one more thing. Cause a lot of women, what a man don't understand is, a lot of us as women, we can go through things in life with men and we can take it. But what happens is that each time you do us stuff, we have it in our head mentally destroyed. So we take our time to destroy ourselves, and we basically leave you in our head before we mentally leave you. Just said that. We mentally leave you before we physically leave you. And when we start to talk to you like talk down to you, a woman is basically on her way out the door. That a lot of men don't realize. So it's a possibility that she might find someone who take up her time, that she is no longer have that kind of feelings. If you see that happening to the man too, it's a possibility that's what happening. So sometimes they're seeing other people and they find interest in someone else. So it's like, yeah, they're basically, sometimes she probably on her way out, you know, who knows. I'm just saying it can happen. I'm not saying that's what happened. I'm just saying it can happen. Sometimes because you're mentally distant, it's like you don't care anymore. So when you don't care anymore, it causes you to automatically act that way. Guys, tell me what you think. If you think that's correct what I just said, tell me what you think in the comment section. Okay, adios guys, love ya, peace.